Boop. Who would like to pick a color? Don't pick white. What? Red? As long as you guys don't turn angry. All right, again, solve using elimination method. So we have x's and y's, again, two variables. However, neither of them are going to be nice to eliminate because none of them have a coefficient of 1 or negative 1. So, if x and y were walking down the street, who would you punch out? That's terrible. Why would you do that? Let's get rid of y's. So we would need a common, at least common denominator there if you want to think of it that way. So 3 and 8, what's the smallest number that 3 and 8 both go into? 24. So what should we multiply the first equation by? And the second equation? Careful. Negative 3, because we need to have opposite signs. So we're going to multiply the first one by 8, and the second one by negative 3, so that we'll have a positive 24 and a negative 24. So if I multiply the first equation by 8, what do I get? Equals 0. Someone else multiplying, well, that was really two people. We multiplied the first equation by 8. Correct. And now we're going to multiply the second one by negative 3 so that the y's will have opposite signs. So if we multiply the second equation by negative 3, what will that give us? Minus 24y equals negative 33 halves. Hooray! So again, we're prepped for surgery. Now when we add our equations, what's going to happen to those y's? Cancel. Goodbye. 48x minus 15x is 33x. How convenient. Equals negative 33 halves. Good. We do not have more than 3 equations. We do not have any more variables to worry about. We're already down to 1 variable. So we can mosey again to step 4. Questions so far? Okay. How do we solve for the remaining variable? By? Good. Without a calculator, what is negative 33 halves divided by 33? Negative 1/2. Molto bene. Now that we have x to be negative 1/2, how would we find y? Yeah, top equation's better by 10%. What is that, step 5? Yes. Whoop, whoop. So instead of 6x plus 3y equals 0, we'll have 6 times negative 1/2 plus 3y equals 0. If you would solve for y, would anyone like to offer an answer? 1. So what's our ordered pair, x comma y? Good.